have an interesting question today from Erin, and she writes, my 5-year-old son has recently been referred for an OT evaluation for sensory processing issues. His symptoms come out more in the classroom than at home. We use 1, 2, 3 Magic at home, and the teachers are trying it at school, but they seem reluctant to count inappropriate behavior that seems like it would be related to sensory processing disorder, touching, playing too rough, etc. Any advice on how 1, 2, 3 Magic works for kids with SPD? The answer is there really are not too many restrictions with regard to the children that 1, 2, 3 Magic works for, so long as they have a mental age of 2. And here's kind of the issue that you're talking about. If you're assuming that because of sensory processing issues, these behaviors are out of his control, then the teachers might be thinking it's not fair to use 1, 2, 3 Magic with him. On the other hand, you might want to consider several things. One is you haven't done the evaluation yet. Even if you have, and they said these might be sensory issues, you might want to give a trial at counting them as well. One of the things you didn't mention in your note was how's the 1, 2, 3 Magic working at home. If it's working well at home, then there's a good chance it would work well at school. But keep in mind, sensory issues are only one part of a child's behavior. Their processing, when it comes to playing rough or being too loud and so on, involves executive functions, it involves motor functions, it involves memory, and it involves social interactions with other people. All of those can be affected positively by 1, 2, 3 Magic. So I would give it a try, and you could even consider it a part of the diagnostic process, especially since you're already using it. So I hope that's helpful, and good luck.